The ultimate power move. Building your own gaming PC lets you create a machine tailored just for you. You pick every part, performance, looks, and even the lights. It's easier than you think, and the sense of achievement is real when it powers on for the first time. You save money by only paying for the parts, not the assembly. That means more budget for a better graphics card or extra storage. You control where to spend and where to save, making your money go further. Building teaches you how computers work, giving you skills to fix or upgrade your PC later. You become your own tech support, which is empowering in today's world. A custom PC is easy to upgrade. Swap in a new graphics card or add more memory whenever you want. Pre-built PCs often use parts that are hard to replace, but your build is future-proof. Your PC can grow with you and the latest games. It's a long-term investment in your hobby and your skills. Plus, you get to design a machine that looks as cool as it performs. Building a PC is like Legos for adults. Fun, creative, and practical. You'll never look at computers the same way again. Take control, save money, and unlock a new level of gaming. There's nothing quite like gaming on a PC you built yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Let's talk about the parts you need. The CPU is the brain, handling all the thinking and calculations. The motherboard connects everything, letting your parts communicate. RAM is your short-term memory, letting you run games and apps smoothly. Storage holds your games and files. Choose a fast SSD for speed or a big HDD for space. The graphics card, GPU, creates the visuals and is key for gaming performance. The power supply, PSU, delivers electricity safely to all your parts. The case houses and protects everything with options for style and airflow. Each part plays a crucial role in your PC's performance. Pick parts that fit your needs and budget. A good motherboard and PSU are the foundation for future upgrades. More RAM means smoother multitasking. A powerful GPU brings your games to life. Choose a case that fits your style and keeps things cool. With the right building blocks, you're ready to create your dream machine. Let's break down how to choose the best parts for you. Choosing the right parts is the most important step. For CPUs, Intel and AMD both offer great options. Core i5 or Ryzen 5 are solid for most gamers. If you stream or edit video, consider a Core i7 or Ryzen 7. Make sure your CPU matches your motherboard socket. Motherboards come in ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. Pick the size that fits your case and needs. Check for enough RAM slots and features like built-in Wi-Fi. 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 8GB sticks, is the sweet spot for gaming. Use dual-channel mode for better performance and match the RAM type, DDR4 or DDR5, to your motherboard. For storage, get a fast NVMe SSD for your OS and favorite games, plus a larger HDD for everything else. A 500GB or 1TB SSD is a great start. Add a 2TB or 4TB HDD for extra space. For graphics cards, check online reviews and benchmarks for the games you play. The GPU is usually the most expensive part, but it makes the biggest difference in gaming. Make sure your power supply can handle your GPU's needs. Compatibility is key. Double-check everything before you buy. Plan your build around your favorite games and future upgrades. Smart choices now mean fewer headaches later. Take your time, do your research, and you'll get the best performance for your budget. Now, let's get ready to build. Before you build, set up your workspace. Use a large, clean, well-lit table. Avoid carpet to prevent static electricity. Keep your area dust-free and organized. Gather your tools. A Phillips screwdriver, small containers for screws, and zip ties for cable management. An anti-static wrist strap is ideal, but you can also ground yourself by touching metal before handling parts. Lay out all your components and read the manuals, especially for the motherboard. The motherboard manual is your best friend. Keep it handy. Organization now saves time and prevents mistakes later. Double-check you have all the parts before starting. Safety first, static electricity is the main danger, so stay grounded. Keep drinks and snacks away from your workspace. Unbox everything and inspect for damage. Familiarize yourself with each part and where it goes. Use containers to keep screws and small parts from getting lost. Plan your build steps before you begin. Take your time. Rushing leads to mistakes. If you're unsure, look up a quick video or check the manual. A good setup makes the build smooth and enjoyable. Ready? Let's start assembling your PC. Now for the fun part, assembly. Place the motherboard on its box for a safe, static-free surface. Install the CPU, open the socket lever, align the triangles, and gently drop it in. Never force it. Lock the lever down. A little resistance is normal. Next, install RAM. Open the slots, align the notch, and press down until the clips click. Use the recommended slots for dual-channel performance, usually the second and fourth slots. Handle parts by the edges to avoid damaging pins or contacts. Double-check alignment before applying pressure. If the RAM doesn't click, check the orientation and try again. Repeat for the second RAM stick. The CPU and RAM are now installed, the brain and memory of your PC. Take a moment to admire your progress. Check the motherboard manual for any special instructions. Make sure everything is seated properly before moving on. Keep your workspace tidy as you go. If you're unsure, consult the manual or a quick online guide. These steps are the foundation of your build. With the CPU and RAM in place, you're ready for the next stage. Stay patient and careful. Precision matters here. You're building the heart of your gaming machine. Let's move on to the case and storage. Time to move your motherboard into the case. Open the case and install standoffs where the motherboard will sit. These prevent shorts. Snap in the I/O shield at the back of the case. Carefully lower the motherboard onto the standoffs, aligning the ports with the I/O shield. Secure the motherboard with screws, tightening gently. Install storage. NVMe SSDs go directly on the motherboard. SSDs and HDDs slide into drive bays and are screwed in place. Mount the power supply, PSU, in its spot, usually at the bottom or top rear. Secure the PSU with 4 screws. Don't connect cables yet, just get everything mounted. Keep cables out of the way for now to make the next steps easier. Double check that all parts are secure and properly aligned. Organize screws and small parts as you go. Refer to your manuals for any case-specific steps. Take your time, precision prevents problems later. With the core components installed, you're almost ready for the star of the show. Next up, installing your graphics card. The graphics card is the star of any gaming PC. Find the top PCIe slot on your motherboard, usually the longest one. Remove the matching metal slot covers from the case. Open the PCIe latch, align the card, and press it firmly into the slot until it clicks. Secure the card's bracket to the case with screws. Avoid touching the gold connectors. Hold the card by its edges. Make sure the card sits level and is firmly in place. The GPU is now ready to deliver stunning graphics. This step brings your build to life visually. Let's finish wiring and get ready for the first boot. Now, let's bring your PC to life. Connect the 24-pin motherboard power cable and the CPU power cable from the PSU. Plug in PCIe power cables to your graphics card if needed. Connect SATA power and data cables to your storage drives. Attach front panel connectors for the power button, USB, and audio. Use your motherboard manual for guidance. Double-check all connections for a secure fit. Close the case panels. Plug in your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Connect the power cord and flip the PSU switch on. Press the power button. Fan should spin and lights should come on. If you see the BIOS screen, you've succeeded. To install Windows, use a bootable USB drive. Enter BIOS, usually Dell or F2, set USB as the boot device, and follow the on-screen instructions. Install Windows on your SSD for the fastest performance. Once Windows is installed, your PC is ready to use. Install drivers for your motherboard and GPU. Update Windows, and you're set for gaming. Enjoy your new custom-built PC. Your journey doesn't end after the build. Keep your PC clean. Dust can cause overheating and slowdowns. Every few months, open the case and use compressed air to clear out dust. Keep your software and drivers up to date for security and performance. Update your graphics card drivers regularly for the best gaming experience. Upgrading is easy. add more RAM, storage, or swap in a new GPU as needed. Your custom PC is built for easy improvements. Regular maintenance keeps your system running smoothly for years. Enjoy the power and flexibility of a machine you built yourself. Play your favorite games at their best. Be proud of your skills and your creation. Welcome to the world of PC gaming. Now, go have some fun. You've earned it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC building tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your own build, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, share this video with your friends and fellow gamers so they can build their dream PC too.